In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to embed your Instagram feed in WordPress. Embedding Instagram posts and videos on your website helps keep your content fresh, increases user engagement, and builds trust. Today, I'm going to show you how to embed your Instagram feed in WordPress. This is my website. Now, to embed the Instagram feed, we're going to use a plugin. So, back to the dashboard, go to Plugins. Then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Smash Balloons Social Photo Feed and press Enter. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now to start the installation. As you can see, this plugin has a very good rating, and here you can see it's also compatible with our version of WordPress. Once the plugin is installed, this button is going to change to Activate. Click on it to activate the plugin. Then you get redirected to the plugins page. Now, go to Instagram feed and click on Settings. In the General Settings, scroll down to Manage Sources. Click on Add Source. Here you need to connect your Instagram account. Click here to log in with your Instagram account and allow the plugin to get your account information. Once the source is added, go to All Feeds under Instagram Feed. Here, click on Add Feed. We can only choose the timeline option for the free version of the plugin. In the sources, we only have the one source now, so let's select that. Here you can customize this feed, and I'm just going to skip all this and go to Customize. The layout can only be grid for free version. Then you can select the number of posts to display here. Then select the number of columns you want to display the posts in here. And you can look further into the header settings. You can change the header size, but for now, let's save the feed. Then click on Embed and copy this shortcode. Paste this shortcode to display your feed on a page, post, or a widget. So I'm going to create a new page to display the feed. Paste the shortcode here. And then let's preview the page. As you can see, the feed was embedded here successfully. If you want to know how to embed your Google Calendar in WordPress, we have a video explaining how you can do that too. I'm going to link that in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. This is how you can embed Instagram feeds in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.